Our next skill is changing an occupied bed. The supplies that you need for this are a bath blanket, a fitted sheet, a draw sheet, a waterproof pad, a flat sheet, and a pillowcase. All of your supplies will go on a barrier on your work surface. I will wash my hands and apply gloves before beginning the skill. Hello, Beth. My name's Mari. I'm going to be your aide today. I'm here to change your bed.
Okay.
All right. I've washed my hands and I've got my gloves on, and I have my supplies ready to go. I'm going to lower the head of the bed and apply the bath blanket to provide warmth while we change your sheets. Use the bath blanket to cover her completely and provide privacy while rolling in the bed. I'll take your call light and set it aside. If you'll hold on to that blanket for me, I'm going to remove the sheet from the foot of the bed by rolling the dirty sheet into itself. The dirty sheet will then go into the laundry hamper. I'll remove the pillow from underneath Beth's head and remove the pillowcase and place that in the dirty hamper. The pillow will go at the head of the bed. I will start by removing the sheets from this side of the bed and rolling them up so that the dirty side is being rolled in on top of itself. And then I will ask Beth to roll to her side, and I'll make sure that I keep the bath blanket covering her so that I make sure she's maintaining privacy. I'm going to tuck her dirty linens as far underneath her hip as I can and underneath the clean bath blanket. Next, I will take my clean fitted sheet and place it on the mattress. I need to be sure that I'm keeping my clean and dirty linen separated. I'll fan fold the sheet in the center of the bed on top of the bath blanket. Next, I will take the draw sheet, which is folded in half, and place it on the bed. I want to make sure I have a few inches of overhang on my side so that I can tuck it under the mattress. I place the folded edge at Beth's shoulders and the open edges toward the foot of the bed. I'll fan fold the draw sheet in the center of the bed on top of the fitted sheet. Next, I'm going to take my waterproof pad and put it with the water-resistant side down against the mattress and fold that with the quilted side facing up in the center of the bed. Next, I'm going to assist Beth in rolling back over toward my side of the bed so that I can remove the sheets. Over the bump, Beth. I'll make sure that I keep the blanket covering her back so that we've maintained her privacy. The sheets will come off of this side of the bed, rolling the dirty sheets in on top of themselves, and I will place the dirty sheets in the laundry hamper. Then I will pull the sheets through from underneath Beth and attach the sheet to the mattress. Draw sheet and the pad. I'll tuck the draw sheet underneath the side of the mattress and assist Beth back onto her back. Next, I will place a clean top sheet on the bed. Never shake your linens when you're opening them, as that spreads bacteria and lint around the room. All right, Beth, if you'll hold your sheet, I'm going to remove the bath blanket from the foot of the bed, rolling it up like I did the sheet when I removed the dirty sheet. The bath blanket will then go in the laundry hamper. And I will tuck the foot of the bed sheet in under the foot and finish the bed by making a loose hospital corner. I will make sure that I've made a toe pleat so that there is room for Beth to move her toes. Are you able to wiggle your toes, Beth? Mm-hmm. All right. Finally, I will put a new pillowcase on Beth's pillow. I will not touch the pillow or the pillowcase to me or my clothing. All right. There's your pillow. Is that okay? That's very good. All right. I'll put the head of the bed back to 30 degrees, bed in low position, side rails up if ordered, and call light and reach. Is there anything else I can get for you, Beth?
I don't think so, thank you.
You're welcome. I'll clean up the remainder of my supplies, take off my gloves, wash my hands, record and report.